What's going on, everyone? You're watching the Iron Gordon channel. Thank you for being here. Today I have a Day of the Dead themed skull with marigolds wood cutout. It is part one of a collaboration project I'm doing with Villa Pinstriping. If you don't know who Villa is, he runs a channel that is a great resource for learning the art form of pinstriping. He shows what tools and techniques he uses to make amazing pinstripe art pieces. Go subscribe to his channel. I'll link his portion of this collaboration in the description below. Now, let me show you how I made my part. Let's get into the project. Let me catch you up on where I'm at right now. You saw me lay down the outlines with Sharpie, and you saw me spray paint orange and yellow for the marigolds. Then I masked off the skull and painted it with a dark blue base coat and topped it with a dark blue metallic coat. But this created a bit of a problem for me because I'm unsure of what color to use for the outline on the skull. I thought either black and white would look good, but I wanted some opinions, so I did what any other self-conscious mediocre artist on the internet would do. I asked my Instagram followers. There seems to be a majority vote for black, however some people mentioned using both black and white, and I kinda like that idea, so I think I might give that a shot. Let's get back into it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to pour my resin. It's a 2-part resin and I'm going to mix equal amounts into these cups. I'm also going to throw some glitter into the mix to make the whole piece sparkle. I'm going to mix up more than I need so that it spills over the edges and fills in all the crevices, and it'll make a nice thick gloss coat on top of the piece. When it's all covered over, I'll hit it with the torch so it brings the air bubbles to the top and creates a smooth surface that Freddy can pinstripe on top of. Now, if you remember last time I did a resin pour, it went really bad. Like, really bad. I'll link the video here in the corner. So I'm hoping I have better results this time. At the time of recording, I have this completed piece up for sale on my Big Cartel site. The link is in the description. Don't forget to see what Villa did to contribute to this piece. I know he's going to do a killer job. Please subscribe to both our channels if you haven't already, and let us know what you think of what we made here. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time.